By Vital Proteins, this collagen powder is what everyone's been talking about, and let me show you exactly what it does and what it is. First things first, I noticed that there was a fill line that was right about here. So this is what they're saying. This is the volume. I was surprised to actually find it a little bit fuller than what they advertise, which is always good news. The powder is just a normal white substance. It does contain 18 grams of protein per serving, which is incredible. And not only just protein, but of course a bunch of things to that is good for your skin health, for your nails, for your hair. And this is the actual serving. It's 3 of these. And I just put it in some lemonade, and I'm gonna mix it up. Usually every morning I put it in coffee. You don't taste it at all. I'm gonna be tasting it in lemonade for the first time. We'll see what it tastes like, if it's actually okay. So there it is. Let's see. Yeah, doesn't change the taste. It's not bitter, it's not sweeter, it's just lemonade. So that's a really big plus as well. It doesn't have extra sugars, it doesn't have any of that. You can take it and be sure that it is going to be a bonus or a benefit for your health. It is packed with vitamin C as well. So if you're lacking on that vitamin C side, this is also an improvement. If you had one shake to take in the morning or one addition powder to put into your coffee or a smoothie in the morning, make sure it's from Vital Proteins. It is absolutely incredible. And I, right now, am doing it every single morning myself.